What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love classic trucks, modern power, and timeless American design, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a truck that blends heritage with the future in the most exciting way possible. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. The Chevrolet 3100 name carries serious history. Originally introduced in the late 1940s and early 1950s, the 3100 became a symbol of hard work, simplicity, and rugged reliability. Now imagine that iconic silhouette reborn for 2026. Carrying the soul of the past but engineered for today's drivers. That's exactly what the new Chevrolet 3100 pickup aims to deliver. At first glance, the 2026 Chevy 3100 stays true to its roots. You still get that bold, rounded front end, muscular fenders, and a wide, confident stance. A classic horizontal grille is modernized with LED lighting, subtle chrome accents, and an illuminated Chevrolet badge that gives it a premium but restrained look. Round LED headlights pay homage to the original design while offering modern brightness and efficiency. From the side, the clean body lines and short bed proportions scream classic truck, but the larger wheels, lower ride height, and aerodynamic tweaks clearly place it in the modern era. Step around back and the design continues to impress. The tailgate features stamped Chevrolet lettering, a nod to vintage styling, paired with soft close functionality and integrated lighting for nighttime usability. The rear bumper is clean and minimal, housing parking sensors and a hidden step for easy bed access. Its old-school charm with new-school practicality. Inside the 2026 Chevrolet 3100, the transformation is even more dramatic. The cabin blends retro inspiration with cutting-edge technology. You'll notice a wide, simple dashboard design, accented by metal trim and leather stitching that echoes classic craftsmanship. At the center sits a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and voice control. Physical knobs remain for key controls, keeping things intuitive and driver-focused. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing you to switch between modern layouts and retro-inspired gauges. Seats are wrapped in premium leather or durable cloth, depending on the trim, and offer heating, ventilation, and excellent long-distance comfort. Despite its classic size, the 3100 offers smart storage solutions, a spacious cabin, and thoughtful details that make it feel both nostalgic and luxurious. Under the hood is where the 2026 Chevy 3100 truly steps into the future. Chevrolet is expected to offer multiple powertrain options. A turbocharged four-cylinder engine could serve as the efficient base model, while a powerful V8 option will satisfy enthusiasts craving that classic American rumble. There's also strong speculation about a hybrid or fully electric variant, delivering instant torque, quiet performance, and zero emissions without sacrificing capability. Performance is matched with modern engineering. The 3100 rides on a lightweight but strong platform, offering improved handling, a smoother ride, and impressive towing capacity. Advanced suspension tuning ensures it's just as comfortable cruising city streets as it is tackling back roads or hauling gear on the weekend. Safety and driver assistance features are fully up to date. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 comes equipped with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies work quietly in the background, enhancing confidence without taking away from the driving experience. What really sets the 2026 Chevy 3100 apart is its personality. This isn't just another pickup truck. It's a statement. It's for drivers who appreciate history but demand modern comfort, performance, and technology. It's for collectors, daily drivers, and weekend adventurers who want something that stands out in a sea of similar-looking trucks. In a world where vehicles are becoming increasingly generic, the Chevrolet 3100 dares to be different. It honors its legendary past while confidently driving into the future. If Chevrolet brings this